This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC in Ultra HD. First, you need to download and install the official Game Loop emulator, which is specifically designed for PUBG Mobile. This allows you to enjoy the game on a much larger screen with the precision of a mouse and keyboard, offering a significant advantage. Make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a dedicated graphics card for the best experience. Next, let's optimize your emulator settings for Ultra HD. In Game Loop's engine settings, choose OpenGL if you have a strong graphics card, or DirectX if your CPU is more powerful. Set the display resolution to 1080 pixels or even 2K, depending on your monitor and graphics card capabilities. For sharper visuals, select a high-screen DPI, like 480. Also, customize the model to a high-end device, such as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Once in the game, access PUBG Mobile's internal graphics settings. Here, you can select Ultra HD or HDR for the most stunning visual fidelity. For fluid motion, set your frame rate to Extreme for 60 frames per second, or Ultra Extreme for 120 frames per second if your system supports it. Additionally, enable anti-aliasing at 2 times or 4 times to eliminate jagged lines and make everything look incredibly smooth. To further enhance your Ultra HD PUBG Mobile experience, close any unnecessary background applications on your PC. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for minimizing lag and ensuring responsive gameplay. Always keep your graphics card drivers updated to their latest versions for peak performance. Finally, take advantage of Game Loop's integrated optimization tools, like the temporary file cleaner and smart settings, to maintain a consistently smooth and immersive gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.